Do you want to be in the top 1%? Imagine what your life could look like if you reached that level. More freedom, more choices, and the ability to create the future you want for yourself and your loved ones. It's not a fantasy, it's a real, achievable goal. The path to the top isn't reserved for a select few. It's open to anyone willing to put in the work and make smart decisions. Most people think the top 1% is reserved for the lucky or the privileged. That's a myth. The truth is, most of the wealthy started out just like everyone else, dreaming big but starting small. The truth? It's about strategy, discipline, and consistent action, not luck. It's about making a plan, sticking to it, and refusing to give up when things get tough. The wealthy don't just work hard, they work smart. They look for opportunities, learn from their mistakes, and surround themselves with people who push them to grow. They use money as a tool and build systems that generate wealth, even while they sleep. Passive income streams, investments, and automation are their secret weapons. These aren't secrets, they're habits and principles anyone can learn. The information is out there, waiting for you to take action and apply it to your own life. You don't need a fancy degree or a rich uncle. What you need is a willingness to learn, adapt, and keep moving forward no matter where you start. You need the willingness to learn and the courage to start. Every journey begins with a single step, and the most important thing is to take that step today. In the US, the top 1% means a net worth of about $5.8 million. That number might sound intimidating, but remember, it's not about overnight success. Sounds huge, but it's just the result of thousands of small, smart steps. Every dollar saved, every investment made, and every lesson learned adds up over time. Everyone who made it started from zero, with their first dollar saved, their first investment, their first side hustle. The journey is built on small wins and steady progress. Your current income doesn't define your potential. What matters is your mindset, your habits, and your willingness to take action, even when it feels uncomfortable. It's not about how much you earn, but how much you own. Building wealth is about accumulating assets that grow in value and generate income for you. Focus on building assets, not just earning a paycheck. Invest in things that put money in your pocket, not just take it out. The real secret: create a financial machine that works for you, so you don't have to work forever. Let your money and your ideas work as hard as you do. This is your invitation to start building that machine today. The door is open, and the opportunity is waiting for you to walk through. The journey is long, but every step counts. Progress may be slow at first, but with persistence, you'll be amazed at how far you can go. Are you ready to take the first one? Your future self will thank you for the action you take today. The top 1% is waiting. Will you join them? Most people fall for the income illusion, believing a bigger paycheck will solve everything. They think that earning more money will automatically lead to financial security and happiness. But high income doesn't equal wealth. I've seen people earning $300,000 a year still drowning in debt. They live paycheck to paycheck, constantly stressed about their financial situation. True wealth is measured by net worth, what you own minus what you owe. It's about the assets you accumulate and the liabilities you eliminate. Assets put money in your pocket: stocks, real estate, businesses. These are the building blocks of financial independence. Liabilities take money out: debt, loans. They drain your resources and limit your financial freedom. The wealthy focus on building assets, not just earning more. They understand that true financial security comes from owning income-generating assets. Your job is just one income source. Relying solely on a paycheck is risky and limiting. The goal is to build passive income streams, money that comes in whether you work or not. This is the key to financial freedom. Dividends, rental income, online businesses, these are the real game changers. They provide financial stability and growth. Aim for your passive income to cover your living expenses. That's true financial freedom. Imagine living without the constant worry of bills. Wealth isn't about status or lifestyle, it's about owning assets that generate income. It's about financial security and peace of mind. Track your net worth, not just your salary. This will give you a clear picture of your financial health. Watch it grow, step by step. Celebrate your progress and stay motivated. Shift your focus from earning to owning. This mindset change is crucial for long-term financial success. This is the first step out of the rat race. It's about taking control of your financial destiny. Start now. Track your net worth and build your asset base. The sooner you start, the better. That's how you change your financial future. Take action today and secure your tomorrow. Building wealth starts with building the right mindset. If you believe money is evil or only for the greedy, you'll sabotage your own progress. The wealthy see money as a tool for freedom and opportunity, not something to fear. They believe wealth is abundant, not scarce, and that success is possible for anyone. This mindset isn't inherited. It's learned and practiced. Replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Train your brain to see possibilities, not obstacles. The wealthy are lifelong learners. They invest in their financial education every day. Start by noticing your thoughts about money. Challenge the negative ones. Ask, is this belief really true or just a story I've been told? Change your mindset and your financial reality will follow. The journey begins in your mind. Changing your mindset takes action, not just positive thinking. Control the information you consume. Ditch content that fuels scarcity or envy. Build a positive information diet. Read classic finance books, listen to podcasts, follow real experts. Spend 15 minutes a day learning about wealth. Try journaling. Write your financial goals as if you've already achieved them. I'm a millionaire. I manage my money wisely. This rewires your subconscious and shifts your identity. Surround yourself with people on the same journey. Join online communities, engage in conversations, learn from others. Your environment shapes your mindset more than you realize. Curate your information, thoughts, and community. This is your first actionable step. Take control of what you feed your mind. Start today. Your mindset is your foundation. Build it strong. Relying on one paycheck is risky. It leaves you vulnerable to unexpected changes and financial instability. Lose your job and your income vanishes. This can lead to stress and uncertainty about the future. The wealthy build multiple income streams, not by working more jobs, but by creating systems and acquiring assets. They diversify their income sources to ensure stability and growth. Start simple. Monetize a skill you already have. Whether it's teaching, designing, or baking, there's potential to earn. Freelance, consult, or offer services online. The digital age has made it easier than ever to reach clients and customers globally. Even an extra $200 a month is a win. Use it as seed capital for investments. Small amounts can grow significantly over time. Try a small side hustle, mow lawns, walk dogs, resell thrift finds. These activities require low startup costs and offer high learning potential. The skills you gain, marketing, customer service, money management, are invaluable. They can be applied to future ventures. Their ventures can help you grow. Once you have extra cash, start investing. Look into stocks, bonds, or real estate to diversify your portfolio. Put it into low-cost index funds and let your money work for you. Over time, these investments can yield significant returns. Passive income is the goal, money that grows while you sleep. This financial freedom allows you to focus on what truly matters. Start small, aim for $10 a month in dividends. It's a modest beginning, but it sets the stage for larger gains. Then aim for $50, then $100. Each step forward builds your financial momentum. Momentum builds with each step. The more you invest, the more you earn, and the faster you reach your goals. Your action step: pick one skill or side hustle to start this month. Take that first step towards financial independence. Multiple streams mean more security and faster wealth. Diversifying your income protects you from financial setbacks. Don't wait. Diversify your income now. The sooner you start, the sooner you can enjoy the benefits. Every extra dollar is a building block. Start stacking them and watch your financial foundation grow stronger. Investing is the most powerful wealth-building tool, but it intimidates many. Forget complicated charts and risky bets. For most, investing should be simple and automated. The goal isn't to beat the market, it's to own a piece of its long-term growth. Start with low-cost index funds or ETFs. They let you own hundreds of companies with one purchase. Open an account with a reputable brokerage. Many have no minimums. Set up automatic transfers even if it's just $25 a month. Pay yourself first. Consistency is key. Think long-term. Ignore market ups and downs. Keep investing regularly. When the market dips, you're buying at a discount. Your actions: step, open a brokerage account and set up an automatic investment in an S&P 500 index fund. That's it. You're now an investor. Simplicity and consistency win the wealth game. Start today. Compound interest is the secret engine of wealth. the snowball that grows bigger every year. Your money earns money, and then that money earns even more. The magic is in time and consistency. Start early, and even small amounts can grow into a fortune. Don't touch your long-term investments. Let them grow for decades. Every withdrawal chops down your money tree. Use an emergency fund for surprises, not your investments. You don't need a lot to start, just time and discipline. A 20-year-old investing $100 a month can retire a billionaire. Wait until 40, and you'll need much more. Your greatest asset is time, not money. Commit to the long-term vision. Let compounding work its magic. Promise yourself your investments grow untouched. As you build wealth, beware two silent killers: high-interest debt and lifestyle creep. High-interest debt, like credit cards, is compound interest working against you. Pay it off fast. Use the debt snowball or avalanche method. Attack one debt at a time. Lifestyle creep is sneaky. As you earn more, you spend more, and wealth slips away. Don't upgrade your lifestyle with every raise. Direct new income to investments and debt payoff. Ask, how can this extra money buy my freedom, not just more stuff? Track your spending for a month. Find leaks and redirect them to your goals. A simple budget is your defense. Master these two threads, and your wealth will grow faster. Protect your pocket. Plug the holes. Build wealth, not just income. We've covered mindset, income streams, investing, and more. Here's the core truth. You can do this. Wealth is built on small, consistent steps, not one big leap. The most important step is the first one. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start now with what you have. Procrastination is the enemy. Action creates clarity. Celebrate every small win: paying off a debt, making your first investment, earning from a side hustle. These victories build momentum and belief. Every day you can make a choice that moves you closer to your goal. Today, pick one action. Open an investment account, write down your goals, or start a side hustle. The path to financial freedom is built one brick at a time. You're holding the first brick. Use it. The power to build your future is in your hands. Start building. Your journey to the top 1%.